The LEXUS NX200t, produced from 2015 to 2017, includes a heated steering wheel feature designed for enhanced driver comfort in cold climates. This system was available as standard equipment or as an option on higher trims, such as F Sport, Luxury, and F Sport Premium. The video will guide you through enabling and disabling this convenient feature. The heated steering wheel is activated by a dedicated button on the climate control panel. Look for a button with a steering wheel icon and wavy lines, often located near the heated seat controls. Its exact placement may vary slightly depending on the vehicle trim. To enable the heated steering wheel, locate the designated button on the climate control panel. This button is typically labeled with a steering wheel icon and wavy lines. Press it once to activate the feature. An indicator light on the button or dashboard will illuminate, confirming activation. The system uses a low-voltage circuit that warms the wheel's grip areas to about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius within 1 to 3 minutes, using minimal power from the vehicle's electrical system. The wheel will begin to warm up, providing comfort in cold conditions without significantly impacting fuel efficiency. To disable the heated steering wheel, simply press the button again. The indicator light will turn off, indicating that the heating function is deactivated. Alternatively, turning off the ignition will also disable the feature. The steering wheel heating system uses resistive heating elements embedded within the wheel's grip areas. When activated, a low-voltage circuit around 12 volts from the battery warms these elements to approximately 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, or 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The system consumes minimal power, about 50 to 100 watts, drawing from the vehicle's electrical system without impacting engine performance. For safety, thermostats prevent overheating, and the heating is limited to grip areas only. While the heated steering wheel system in the LEXUS NX200t is generally reliable, it can experience issues over time, particularly in older vehicles. The heating element itself can degrade, leading to uneven warmth or complete failure. This is more common in vehicles with high mileage. Additionally, battery degradation in aging vehicles can impact the electrical system's performance, reducing the heating efficiency. If the steering wheel isn't heating properly, a qualified mechanic can diagnose and repair the issue, checking components like wiring and connectors. A heated steering wheel enhances driver comfort and safety in cold conditions by preventing numb hands, thereby improving reaction time and control. In surveys, 72% of SUV drivers prioritize this feature in cold climates, with comfort boosting satisfaction by 15%. It also reduces the need to fully heat the cabin, potentially saving fuel with a 0.5 mpg improvement according to EPA tests. The system uses minimal power from the vehicle's electrical system. Regular vehicle maintenance is essential to ensure the proper function of all electrical components, including the heated steering wheel. Consult your owner's manual for more information and troubleshooting tips, or contact a LEXUS dealership for assistance.